So to retrieve the elements of ArrayList and HashMap, we are here using the iterator interface. So you can see here, I have created the object for ArrayList,
which can store integer type of elements. So here there are 4 elements of type integer, and here
in the normal manner, that is simple way, we are printing the ArrayList using println method. So when we print using the println method, all the elements together like in the set format, it will be displayed in the console. Whereas we can use iterator in this manner. That is, first we can create object for iterator into which we can hold the
all ArrayList elements using iterator method with the ArrayList. So al.iterator will get all the elements into itr1,
and then we are checking if the iterator has next element using the has next method of iterator. So iterator is the cursor which is used to retrieve one by one object elements. And here,
if it is having the next element, then we are printing the next element using while loop. So till it has next element, it will be printing every time the next element.
So this is in case of ArrayList. First we are creating an iterator object into which we are taking all the ArrayList elements, and then we are checking if it has next element and printing every time the next element. Then we are using the hash map. So this statement will just print hash map as the heading, and then here we are creating an object for the hash map
of type integer and string, that is key value pairs it can hold. When we are using maps, it will always hold the entry in the form of key value pairs. Each key can point to a value.
So here keys are unique, values may be duplicate. So here I'm using 4 keys with 4 values which are pointed by these keys, and then printing using println method the hash map.
So all these values together will be printed as a set, and then here I am using the set class, which is a default class,
creating object for it for like a hash map entry, that is HM-entry, into which I will be taking all the entries which are in the form of key and values. That will be called as entry set, that is in the form of entry set. So using this entry set method, we can get all the key value pairs into this object.
Set object is now containing all the key value pairs. Now this set can be iterated or traversed using the iterator, using iterator method, which we are getting into iterator object, and then checking whether it has next
element, and then using again here the Map.Entry, the default type object E, into which we are
converting this. Every entry we are converting into Map.Entry, this form, so that we can get values and keys separately. So this we are doing to convert it, each entry
into values. We can get the values and keys separately or together also. So I'm converting it into Map.Entry form, and then I'm printing each element. So when I execute this,
I get ArrayList elements together first. This is due because of this println method, and using iterator we can get it separately one by one. Same with the hash map. When we are using println, we are getting together all elements. If we are using the Map.Entry
form, that is using iterator, we are getting all the map entries in this manner.